There's a voice within the rain, calling through the years again. By the fire's golden glow, ancient stories softly flow. From the hills and standing storms, echoes of forgotten homes. Every river knows the way, every star remembers still. Through the night they sing the names of hearts that never fade away. Croí and tSeanchais beating strong, keeper of the old world song. Through the ages, through the night, guiding souls by moonlit light. Croí and tSeanchais, wild and free, rooted deep in memory. Every tale and every dream flows within the ancient stream. In the shadow of the oak lives the promise ancestors spoke, carried by the northern breeze, hidden in the forest trees. Golden harps and silver skies, ravens where the mistlands rise. Every path and every shore holds a legend evermore. Every river knows the way, every star remembers still. Through the night they sing the names of hearts that never fade away. Croí and tSeanchais beating strong, keeper of the old world song. Through the ages, through the night, guiding souls by moonlit light. Croí and tSeanchais, wild and free, rooted deep in memory. Every tale and every dream flows within the ancient stream. Oh. Oh, sing to me, ancient land of warriors brave and gentle hands of queens who dance beneath the moon, and songs that lingered far too soon. Oh, sing to me, winds of all the stories that the bards once told. Let every flame and star above remember hope, remember love. Croí and tSeanchais beating bright, shining through the longest night. Keeper of the timeless flame, calling every soul by name. Croí and tSeanchais, ever true, hold as dawn and fresh as dew. As long as rivers meet the sea, the ancient tale will live in me. Through the mist, through the years, the ancient tale still lives here in the heart of the ancient